Hello everyone. In this video lesson I will teach you how to draw Newman projection of an alkane molecule. There is a question here. Draw Newman projection of the lowest energy conformer of 2-methyl pentane for rotation around C2-C3 bond. First, let's draw line structure of this molecule. 2-methyl pentane. Longest chain is pentane, so I have 5 carbon atoms in the longest chain. Okay, I have 5 carbon atoms now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the longest chain, which is pentane. At the 2 position, let me number this molecule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the 2 position, there is a methyl group. Okay, that is the methyl group, just only 1 carbon. This molecule is now 2-methyl pentane. This is the line structure of methyl pentane. Okay. Next, you should draw 3D structure of relevant parts. What is the relevant parts? C2, C3. C2, C3 is the relevant parts. If I draw the 3D structure of ethane molecule, this carbon is C2, this carbon is C3. Okay, in ethane molecule, as you remember, 2 carbon bonds are in line of the plane. Lowest energy means okay, 2 lines in the plane. 2 lines are out of plane. One is looking at me. This wedged bond is looking at me. The other bond is looking the backside. On this carbon, on the number 3 carbon atom, okay, again one bond is looking at me, the other bond is looking away from me. This is the 3D structure of ethane molecule. 3D structure of relevant parts. Relevant parts is ethane, similar to ethane. Okay, let's look at the number 2 now. Number 2, this carbon atom has a methyl group, a hydrogen. So number 2 carbon, this is the number 2 carbon. I will write methyl group. Methyl group is looking at me. Hydrogen, I just call this hydrogen A, facing down. Okay, let's look at number 3 carbon atom. Number 3 carbon atom has an ethyl group, 2 carbon atom. This is ethyl group. Okay, I will put this ethyl group in the plane of the screen, and this carbon atom has 2 hydrogen as well. One is facing towards me, let's call this B. One is facing down, let's call this HC. Okay, I have drawn the 3D structure of the relevant part. Okay, to draw a Newman projection, I need to put an eye which tells me which direction I am looking at. Okay, I am looking at the direction from this direction. Carbon atom closest to the viewer this is the closest carbon atom to the viewer. This one is the farthest one. Closest carbon atom C3, further carbon atom is C2, or we can call this front carbon atom, back carbon atom, from the viewer. Okay, closest carbon atom to the viewer is shown as a dot. Okay, let's have a look. When we look at the carbon 3, what we will see? We will see ethyl group is up, we will see HC on our right, HB to the left. Okay, we have completed one part of Newman projection. back carbon atom to the viewer. This is the viewer looking at this direction. This is the front carbon, this is the back carbon. Back carbon atom is shown as a circle. Viewer this time will see the inline methyl downward. This is this methyl. Methyl facing us will be on our left. Hydrogen A will be on our right. That's it. This is the Newman projection of the molecule. This Newman projection is staggered, shows staggered conformation. Staggered conformation is always staggered conformation has always lower energy than eclipsed conformation. But staggered conformation can have different types as well. If the substituents are in antiposition, this methyl group, this ethyl group is, can you see, is in antiposition conformation. This is number 3, this is number 2 carbon. Ethyl group on the number 3 carbon is antiposition to the methyl group on the 2 carbon atom. You can see this as well from this 3D structure. Methyl and ethyl is antiposition. Anticonformers and this ethyl and methyl is apart from each other by 60 degrees. This is also a gauche conformer. So this Newman projection shows us the lowest energy conformer of 2-methyl pentane because it has a staggered conformation. In staggered conformation, as you can see, all the substituents are separated by 60 degrees from each other. Anti means bulkies group are in 180 degrees to each other. Number ethyl group on the number 3 is apart 100 degree is apart from each other on the carbon atom, ethyl group on the carbon atom. That's it. In this video we have learned how to draw Newman projection of an alkane molecule and analyzed lowest energy conformer of this molecule as well.